Hey guys, this is Tima Consult. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I got some questions according to the last video I made on the 3 mistakes we make with our WhatsApp and how to correct it. Okay, so today I want to talk about um the question I got was how do you drive right audience to your WhatsApp contacts? How do you make sure you're marketing to the right audience? So I'm here to talk about that today. Okay, firstly, why do we have to save our audience contact? Why? We are trying to do continuous marketing. Okay, it's just to promote continuous marketing. Okay, continuous marketing is a way to show your product and your service continuously to your audience, because 95% of people don't buy at first sight. You cannot just showcase your product or service and ask them to buy and they will buy at once. It takes process and it's a gradual thing, so they don't just buy at once. Okay, so they don't just buy at once. So that's why you need to look for a way to always show up in their front, to always show so you need to look for a way to constantly remind them of your product and your service. That's why we are saving their contact. Okay, so now you need to make sure that these people contact you are saving are people that would be interested in your product and or service sooner or later. Okay, so that is why we are saving their contact. So how do you do this? How do you make sure that you have the right contact? It's in two ways. We have the paid means and we have the free means. Okay, now the paid means is the only paid means you can use is running ads through Facebook or Instagram. Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, Facebook is just like, let's just take Facebook like a school. Okay, then we'll not take WhatsApp. Let's take Facebook marketing as a school. Then let's take WhatsApp marketing as a department in a school or a classroom in a school. Okay, so you are going to Facebook as a school. You are going there to pick your own student, your own department, your own set. So you are bringing them from the school, you are bringing them to your classroom so that you can be able to talk to them, and you can be able to talk to them, gain their trust, their likes and everything. So that is why one of the mistakes we make when we do Facebook ads is that when we run Facebook ads, when we probably drive them to the WhatsApp group, we don't bother to save their contact for future marketing. Okay, once we just present our product and service and they don't pay, that's all. The group just remains there and all that. Okay, you need to make sure that those traffic you have drive to your WhatsApp, they saved your contact. Okay, those are your audience. Those are people that Facebook chose for you, because Facebook, when you run ads, Facebook will show your product to people that are likely to be interested in your product. Okay, so those are the people that Facebook chose for you. Those are your audience. And paid means, for me, it's one of the easiest because it's my group. I'll just post to the group and tell them, save my contact if you want this, if you want that, save my contact. I can even private chat members if I really want them to save the contact. Like, okay, probably out of 100, 50 has saved, 50 hasn't saved. I can decide to private chat the other 50 and they'll save it. I won't look like a spam because they joined my group. Okay, so that is for paid means. Now through the free means, you can do the free. When you join groups, make sure the group you are joining is relating to your niche, your target audience. Like, this group is my target audience. Now this is your group. Now all these Facebook group, Telegram groups, those are where those places, okay, my audience are here. Now what do? I'm not saying you should now you should spam. There are some groups will not allow you to post anyhow on the group, so you can decide to private chat member. When you are private chatting members, you are not private chatting them you are not stealing customers. It's not that you private chat and you tell them you want to offer less price than what the admin of the other group did. No, you are private chatting them because you want to save their contact for future business purpose. So you make your intention straight. Hello, I've got your number from so please can you please save my number for future purpose, whatever. Okay, now you will now put it there that if you are interested, kindly tell me your name, so that if the person is also interested, the person would tell you your name, then the both of you can save each other number. It's better than you just saving the number without you knowing if person has saved your number or not. Okay, getting too much contact, like I said before in my previous video, is not too good for you. It affects. Okay, so you want to make sure that the contacts you are getting are relevant. So once they save up your contacts, once they agree, okay, my name is so, then you can say that is one for me. If you are using Facebook groups, you can use something like lead magneting for Facebook groups. You just drop something on the group, or join a free class of whatever, put a WhatsApp link, let them join. If it is Telegram that allows for message, you drop link, you offer them free service. That's lead magneting. You just want them to join the WhatsApp group. Then from once they join your WhatsApp group, you can offer the free service to them, then ask them to save your contact. So those are the two ways that. Okay, so in my consequent videos, I'll be talking to us about how to run effective Facebook ads, different kind of Facebook ads, aims and strategies and all that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please, I really need you to subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.